Hey everyone! So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my favorite drugstore beauty products, and these are products that I wear and love. So if you'd like to know what they are, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to be starting off with my favorite face products from the drugstore, and starting with foundations. My favorite foundation from the drugstore is this Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour. This is full coverage. It lasts for a long time. The only thing I would say about it is make sure you set it with a powder, or else your face can get kind of oily and nobody wants that. So this is a cheap and affordable foundation that I would really recommend, as it compares to a lot of high-end foundation. So for the application of the foundation, I'm just showing you guys how full coverage this is. So one little pump goes a long way. This foundation covers everything. So next for the face, I have two concealers, and I really love these concealers. They're both different formulas. First, I love the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It has a little sponge applicator at the top, and you just rub it on and then blend it out. It's super full coverage, and it's comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer applies super nicely, and the sponge tip applicator really allows you to control where you want the concealer to go and brighten in targeted areas. The second concealer I'm going to be showing you guys is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and there's a line of foundations that go along with this concealer, but this is a very liquidy consistency and it blends very nicely. It doesn't crease under the eyes, so I really recommend this one. The Maybelline Fit Me Concealer is a more liquidy based concealer. This blends out quicker. It's a lot less thick than the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, so it's not as much coverage, but this is still an awesome concealer. After concealer, I always set it with a powder. So one of my favorite powders from the drugstore is the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is awesome. I love this powder. It's a little messy. It comes in a variety of colors, and it's very comparable to the Laura Mercier powder. I would just say that this one is a tad bit more drying than the Laura Mercier, but I still love it, and it's very affordable. One of my other favorites from the drugstore is the Milani Baked Blush, and I have this one in the shade Luminoso. It's super gorgeous. It's shimmery, so it gives you that glowy effect, and it's super pigmented. So I love this blush. I throw it on when I'm on the go, and it gives a super glowy finish to my skin. This blush in the shade Luminoso is super shimmery. I love the application of this one. It's really pigmented, surprisingly, for a drugstore product, and it gives a nice peachy sheen to the cheeks. One of my favorite products, I'm going to be showing you guys the Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is awesome. This is so pigmented. I have it in the shade Precious Petals, and this highlighter is amazing. It's super reflective on your face, and honestly, the formula is so buttery, and it reminds me of the formula of my Becca highlighter, which is $38, and this one is like $4. So I would really recommend this highlighter, and it comes in a bunch of shades at Walmart or Target, and yeah, yeah. Here's the swatch of the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. As you can see, this highlighter really glimmers, and for being super cheap, like $4, this is crazy pigmented. I mean, look at the shine on this. So the next products I'm going to be showing you guys are mascaras, and I've been using mascaras from the drugstore for years. They're really awesome for my lashes. They make them super long, and honestly, I don't see a difference between high-end and drugstore mascaras. So the first one I'm going to be showing you is the one I'm wearing right now. It's the L'Oreal Extra Collagen Mascara. The mascara I love from the drugstore is the Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal. The wand is quite different from the Extra Collagen one. This has more compact bristles. And this is a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara at Sephora. That is $23, and I'm pretty sure this is $8 or $9. But this is an awesome mascara. It's been very popular among a lot of people, and I really love this one, so I think you should definitely go check it out. So an eyeliner that I wear every day is the Maybelline Master Precise Liner, and this is a felt tip, so it allows you to be very precise with what you're doing, and I already drew it on my hand because I messed up the clip before this, but I love this eyeliner, and it's really awesome. It doesn't bleed into your waterline or into your eyes, so that's a plus. For my favorite lip products, I'm only going to be talking about one brand, and that's Milani. Milani has some of my favorite lip products just because their formula is really long lasting and hydrating, and I find that other drugstore lipsticks dry out my lips or flake off. So the first lip product I'm going to be talking about is a Milani Amore Shine Liquid Lip Color. This is in the shade Charming Charmant, and it's super beautiful. I love the formula of this. It's a liquid lipstick, but it's still shiny, so it doesn't dry matte on your lips, and I really love the look of a gloss on the lips. I think it makes your lips appear like they're plump and juicy. And the Milani liquid lipstick that's glossy in the shade Charming Charmant. Here's what this looks like. It's super beautiful. I love this shade, and I think that you should really get this. It honestly looks great on every skin tone. The next lipstick that I love from Milani is an actual lipstick. This is in the shade Naturally Chic, and I wore this all throughout my basketball cheerleading season. This really flatters the lips. It's a very natural color, and I think it goes well on almost every skin tone. And here's the Milani lipstick in the color Naturally Chic on my hand. It's very similar to the other liquid lipstick, but as you can tell, these are both beautiful shades. So I really recommend that you guys go out and check these lippies out. They're at Walmart, Target, wherever you can find Milani, but these products are awesome. For my final products, brushes. So lastly, for my brushes, these are Real Techniques brushes. I bought them at Walmart. I use these brushes every single day. They're awesome. They're super soft, and I love these. I think they're very comparable to expensive brushes. I mean, I really don't see a difference. So first I use this brush for my powder underneath my eyes. I just sweep it away, and this is super gentle and soft on the skin. It really gets the job done. I use this brush, which is called the Multitask brush. I use this one for my bronzer, and it really gets in there and bronzes at the cheeks, so I love this brush, but you could also use it for powder if you really wanted to. My last brushes I have are detail brushes. So this is the highlight brush. I use this to get to apply my highlighter on my cheeks, and it's very small, so I can focus it in small areas that I want to highlight. And then this brush is called the Deluxe Crease brush, but I use this one as a nose contour brush, so if I ever really want to sculpt out my nose or contour it, I can just run this down the bridge and it works perfectly. So I love those brushes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I really love all the products that I talked about, and I recommend that you guys go out and get them. So thanks for watching, and subscribe.